Hello and welcome to this fresh video on creating a simple Maven project, using Eclipse. So what's the prerequisite for you to be able to follow this video? You should have Eclipse installed on your machine. So you should have Eclipse installed. You should have Eclipse installed on your machine, and you should also have Maven installed, right? So these two things are important and necessary before you start following this video. In case you don't have, look for the other videos in our channel, and which are on each of these installation steps. Alright, so let's get going. So let me launch Eclipse to show what happens. So here you go. So that's Eclipse. I don't need these for now, so let me just keep the distractions away. Create a Java project or create a project. So let me click on create a project. It's asking me what do you want to do, so I would say create a Maven project. Let me show you. By default inside the users there is nothing available on Maven right now, isn't it? So I see something for Jenkins, Groovy, Eclipse, Docker, but I don't see anything for Maven. So let me create one Maven project and see how that changes. So it's saying, do you want to create a simple project? Do you want to skip archetype? I would say no. I don't want to skip. I want to use a quick start archetype, and it's going to download, and I would say alright, guru.betak, and this is Maven demo 1. Alright, and click on finish. So it's going to create a Maven demo project. So what if you see on the bottom right hand side, it's creating a Maven archetype. It's building this project for us. It's just 10% completed right now. If I go back, now you see, right, this folder did not exist before. Now it is existing .m2. So that's the Maven project created just now, and it is downloading the default artifacts, and it's kind of creating it here. So once these default artifacts are going to be installed, it's going to complete the build. So let me pause the video here. Okay, it looks like the installation is complete, and I would see Maven there, nothing inside target. I can see there is the app test.java, there is app.java. So these are some sample code there. Hello world, what's up? Yeah, so this is just a sample code there. But what we'll try to do is we'll try to create or run a Maven clean or install. So let's run a Maven install to see what happens. If all is well, it should be downloading whatever dependencies it is required to run this project. And you see there, it's saying, hey, I failed to execute. There's something just not working. The compilation is failure. Perhaps you are running on a JRE rather than a JDK. I see that no compiler is provided, right? So can I make that change here? So I do a right click, go to the properties, and look at the compiler that is being used. Okay, you see there. So it's kind of not taking the right. Yeah, you see that it's not using JDK 8, which I would want it to use. So let me just remove this and add library. I want to use JRE system library. What do I have installed? So do I have JDK 8? So let me just look for JDK 8. So standard VM. Yeah, where is my JDK8, so it should be inside C drive, program files, Java, JDK8. Yeah, so I've selected that folder, so that is JDK8. Yeah, so I'm going to use this rather than JRE8. Apply and close, and this is going to be my workspace default JRE finish. It seems I've been getting a few errors. I'm sure even a lot of you may face these kind of errors, and if you do so, this is how you resolve, which is pretty okay as long as we are able to resolve these errors. So let's run the Maven install again, and fingers crossed, hopefully this time it works fine. So yeah, is it compiling now? Yes, it is. It is downloading. Perfect. Yeah, it's going smooth this time. So you see, right, sometimes these small little basics otherwise could be extremely painful. A lot of times it happens when it's easy to learn, but when we start implementing, we face the first roadblock of setting up the project. That's where the major challenge is. So the build is successful. Let's go ahead and right click on target and click on refresh, and we can see that this project got built successfully, and it's giving me the .jar file. So there you go. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. That's where we now can definitely say we have successfully created a Maven project. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.